Previously on Take It to Them.
We're still right here in St. Mary.
Miss Angela! Yes! Wag! Them love them belly, them love them belly. Are you better? Love them belly. Nice banana pudding, nice cornmeal pudding, nice potato pudding.
Well, I'm banana pudding.
Banana bread.
Oh, banana bread. Pork, give me the pork. Me I watch my weight still, but not on Saturday.
Yeah, you eat and the whole of your chest nasty. You come like you need a dribbler.
Am I one in it?
Me not say nothing.
Am I close?
Me not say nothing.
So if it's silent, am I one?
Then you not go and talk. You're there. Man, they make. Aye, man, they make Ministry of Health come take away anything that COVID, you know. Hey,
Stop it!
No,
Stop it! Stop it!
Good morning, guys, or good afternoon, or good evening. Whenever you open this video to watch it, me know say it now, go waste your time. It is something that you will get so much from. It's me, your girl Raquel Russell, and I'm here with...
Hey people, this is your girl Francine, aka Michibu.
Alright, so this is early Sunday morning, and we're in the parish of St. Mary. We are touch another location right now in the same St. Mary. So I want you to keep locked. We're still there in the area. We're still bring it to you live and direct.
It's busy, man.
Alright, you say anything when me eat off of your stall, miss. Just go and add it up. I must pay you, but I want to eat something off of the stall. Yeah? That is okay. Alright, so I'm going to take off one of them bananas. Yeah? Yeah, man. So where are you going so far?
No, because you eat your banana already. I might
No, but you know if you tear it up and go on so
no,
like
I'm my banana.
I'm
No,
like
I'm my banana.
That's why I'm going to like part with you. And that's why I'm telling you, I'm like part with you.
So what you say, you like me? Yeah. I'm from morning, you walk up and come and watch. When I watch Which part of me you watch? Which part of me you watch? Where you watch? Which part?
You must be mad.
Give them a little piece of love song.
Sing.
Well, we
So am I song that? You sing that love song that for me? People, one thing you have to know, and this you have to know. When man in love, them sing song for woman. You understand? Sing it again for me.
Sing it again,
love song.
sing it next, sing a love
Sing
song.
Alright. Him love me too much. Me can't bother.
Let me tell you something. Personally, right now, we respect this lady. Why? Because she have feel right here in St. Mary Friendship Gap. No, I mean bad. Come on, one. Citrus, vitamin C, good place in them corona time, yeah? A serious matter, eat up your fruit. I'm like a Collins fruit. Star.
That's the one with the cane. Eat off the cane and I give me
Every
none.
time the people them see me,
Yeah.
me I eat.
Then you have to fix the problem, then I can't help you with that.
But
People. I hear lines that you know. People. Hey guys, this is your girl Raquel. And this is Michibu. We are now at Tapioca Village Riverside. Alright.
Remind the people them of the name of the river. Wag water. We have to go at the deep side. Remember you said the shallow part first?
Yeah.
Deep side we are going now.
Chuck off.
Yeah.
So Raquel, I go up on the boat with the handbag.
You don't know what we might find out they can just drop in there, man. I got me to tell you, say, it's a mind thing, man.
People see it here, you know. I eat that, you know, people. See it there, you know. Big boat, that, you know. See the river there.
Alright, so people. So we're gonna go up on the boat. And we can't go without our safety gear. So right here, Sir Gilbert is ensuring that Francine, I don't know why, because she could have go out there and, you know what I mean? But no, safety comes first right here at Tapioca. Yeah, Tapioca River, safety come first. Remember to like, subscribe, share.
Raquel can't pedal, she try no say. Eh? Alright, go in first, Raquel. Go over in the corner.
No, I can't. No.
Just go in and sit down.
Just go in and sit down. People, you see, all Raquel are behave. Big old coward, you know.
Hold on, brother. Hold on.
Sit down, man.
Hold on. Hold on, Francine, you go first. Come on, man.
And you first go in. To balance the boat. You make me first go in for and go over. Yeah.
Before the day can't tell my family.
Yeah, your handbag. See it, your people. Sit down. Ah, good. Relax, man. Chop. Push her out there now. Lord Jesus. Am my time, you know. Raquel, me alone can't pedal, you know.
Hold on.
Me alone.
Capsize the boat. The weight. The weight up on my side, you know. Come in, Francine.
No, man, so smooth. Okay, so far.
See your paper. See your paper.
Alright. Turn it down, sir. Turn it down.
Then we not.
Francine, see the something, man. If we can go somewhere, man.
Paper, this more than what we expect. Back it up. Yeah. That's all back it up. You're going to make most of the contract one. Carry over. Save way. Joe, Raquel, you make me tired.
Make sure to post this too, you know.
Why?
Why? Raquel, now come out.
No.
Take your time, Raquel.
Hold on here. Thank you.
How you feel, Raquel?
I won't take that shit.